Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study our chapter 3rd, in which we have already studied about the ranges, the cells, the type of referencing, and the defining the and using the name range. Now we are going to study about the functions. Functions are the predefined formula which is used to perform some particular operation quickly. Here you don't need to write the formula again and again. It is already exists in the ribbon tab of Excel. It has two parts, that is the function name and arguments, and every function which is predefined or not defined start with equal sign in Excel. Now our first function is sum. Sum is used to add all the numbers in the specified range of cells. For example, equal to sum A1 to A5, which is shown in the following figure. You can see here in cell A 1 to 5, here are following numbers, and in cell 6 and in the range 6 it is written the formula. So you can calculate the numbers 100, 150, 21, 45, 250 by using the following function, which is equal to sum A1 to A5, which is equal to 566. Our next function is average. It is, as name denotes, it is used to calculate the average of numbers in the specified range of cells. The example of average function is equal to average A1 to A5. You can see here in cell A there are following numbers 100, 150, 21, 45, 250, and if you want to calculate the average of these numbers, you can write the function equal to average A1 to A5 and you will get your result, that is 113.2. Next function is count. It is used to count the numbers in the cell. Example is equal to count, and the argument is A1 to A5, which is shown in the figure. Here are four numbers in cell A, that is the 100, 150, 45 and 250, and if you want to count the numbers, you can use the following function, that is equal to count A1 to A5, which is equal to 4. It will give you the result automatically by using the formula or the function equal to count A1 to A5. Next is max. Max function is used to find the largest value in a specified range of cells. The example of max function is equal to max A1 to A5, which is shown in the following picture. Here you can see in cell A there are following numbers 100, 150, 21, 45, 250. If you want to know that which one is the maximum number, so you have to use the function of max, which is equal to max A1 to A5, which is equal to 250 in the following example. Next function is min, min. It is used to find the smallest value in the specified range of cells, and the example of min function is equal to min A1 to A5, which is shown in the following picture. You can see in cell A there are following numbers 100, 150, 21, 45, 250, in which if you want to find out the minimum value, so you have to use the following functions, that is equal to min A1 to A5, and you will get your result, that is the 21 is the minimum value. Next is sqrt. This function is used to find the square root of a value in a cell, and the example of sqrt is equal to sqrt 100, which is shown in the following picture. If you want to find out the square root of any number, that is 100, if we take example as 100, so we will get our result as 10, because 100 the square root of 10. Next is today. Today function is used to display the current date in cell ranges or in cell or the worksheet you want to create. So you can find out today date by using the following function, that is equal to today, which is shown in the following formula, and it will give you the result, what was the date or what will be the date of that particular day. Okay, now we use functions. We take an example, that is to calculate the total amount using sum function. For this you have to follow some steps. uh, in step 1 you have to click in the cell where you want to insert the function, which is shown in the following picture. The cell range you have to click or you have to select, and in second step you have to click on the insert function, that is the fx button, in the formula tab or in the formula bar. Here it is represent in the following picture. You can see the insert function button is already available in the ribbon, and it is also there in the formula bar. In step 3 you have to select the function, and in step 4 click on the OK button. You can see it in the following picture. When you click on the fx, dialog box appear. Here you can see uh, numbers of functions like sum, average, if, hyperlink, count, max, sin, in which you have to select which one you want to perform. Here we are performing the addition, so we select the sum button and then we click OK. In next step, the function argument dialog box is displayed, and you have to enter the range of the cell in argument box number 1 and then click OK. You can see it in the following picture. A function argument box appeared in which you have to enter the number 1 and then you have to click OK. And in next step you will find out that the your sum function is appeared in the fx formula bar, and it is calculated here in the cell which you have select in the first step